How's it going, guys? In this video we are going to be replacing the brake pads on this bike. I don't really like the traditional road bike brake pads because they're really expensive and small, and so what I did is I went on Amazon and I bought a 12-pack of basically mountain bike brake pads, and these things have even more meat on them than the traditional road bike brake pads, and then they also have more area, so I would assume that the stopping distance is going to be very might even see an improvement. So it just looks a little bit weird because people don't usually see these types of brake pads on these bikes, but I don't really care. I'd rather save money and also get better brakes, so that's what we're gonna be doing. So I have a 5mm Allen key, and the first thing I'm doing here is just loosening up this brake pad for the cable on the brake caliper. Also pull that guy up. I'm gonna drop the front wheel this quick release. Sorry you can't see it, but you just pull it out. I'm loosening that. Now I will be using a 4mm Allen key to remove this brake pad. Perfect. Alright, and just like that, we've got some more legit mountain brake pads on our road bike, and these are a hell of a lot cheaper to replace than the little cartridges in these road bike brake pads that just break all the time. So that's all there is to it, and thank you all for watching.